show. Come on, fans, on your feet. Introducing the Jackson 5 drum majors from Detroit, Michigan. He's known as the prodigy Abraham Duffy. From Montgomery, Alabama, we give you Joe Rogue Dynasty Williams III. Straight out of the 504, welcome Cameron Still Standing Johnson. The Clay Hills of Yazoo City presents Kyrie Limited Edition Kirkland. And from the Windy City of Chicago, head drum major King Albert Gustave III. With this year's edition of the Sonic Boom having over 300 members, one can clearly see why we are the leader in stereophonic sound, musicianship, and drill display. After today's show, take out your mobile devices and Google Jackson State University Uptown Funk 2015 to see us as we went worldwide. Under the leadership of President Dr. Carolyn Myers, the 2015 freshman class enrollment is the largest in our history. Ladies and gentlemen, the Jackson State University Sonic Boom of the South. Babe and the Baby Tigers in real form. Teams in the world performing to Burn It Up by Janet Jackson. Here are Gotta love those prancing chasettes. Ladies and gentlemen, as the boom performs Who Can I Run To, please welcome the Jackson State University Homecoming Court 2015. She's escorted by Mr. Sophomore, an electrical engineering major from Madison. Miss Junior, Destiny Harris. Destiny is a biology pre-med dentistry major from Memphis, Tennessee. She's escorted by Mr. Junior, Cameron McMillan, a political science major from Summa, Alabama. Miss Senior, Taina Jenkins. Taina is an elementary education major from Chicago, Illinois. She's escorted by Mr. Senior, Travion Durr, a criminal justice major from McKee. Miss Jackson State University, Sharance Higgins. Sharance is a senior dual major in speech and theater and psychology from Madison. She's escorted by our Student Government Association President, Rashad Ford. Rashad is a criminal justice major from Jackson. Also joining the royal court is Mr. and Miss Pre-Alumni Council, Laura Coleman and Patrick Hayes. Laura is a mass communications major from Jackson, and Kedrick is a biology pre-physical therapy major from Grenada. Ladies and gentlemen, your Jackson State University Royal Court.
This past week, the Jackson State University family lost one of its icons, former band director Mr. Edward DePlaces. We honor his memory and forever will cherish the contributions he gave.
welcome to the field contemporary gospel recording artist Ty Tribbett and Sunday